What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to transform this photo to become this one. On the left side will be the picture of a man who is sitting in a cafe during the midday, and after using the special prompt, this background can be totally changed into the cyberpunk style, and it's kind of the anime style too. How to create this transformation? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that you can use over here is the Nano Banana, and here I am accessing it into the Google AI Studio. However, don't worry, because you can also create this photo transformation into your another favorite AI photo or image generator, for example the Gemini AI or the ChatGPT, Gemini AI, Quen AI, Seed Dreams, and a lot of tools out there. You can create that transformation, and here I will also share you the prompt. And if you'd like to access it with this Google AI Studio, then don't forget to do the login first with your email. And after that, you can click the Try Nano Banana, and I will start to upload the picture over here. And for example, I will choose this one. And after that, I will put the prompt into this section. And don't worry, because I will also share this prompt into the description box, and you can simply copy it, or you can also give the screenshot of it. Basically, the prompt gonna be like this: transform this image into the vibrant cyberpunk anime style and emphasize the neon lighting in shades of deep purple, electric blue, and hot pink, casting the dramatic reflection and shadows. And also incorporate the Japanese kanji, for example this one, kanji characters into the neon signs. And also the overall atmosphere should be moody and futuristic, with a focus on sharp lines and also stylized character design if present, and also the technological detail. I guess this kind of the detail, guys. And also the colors should be highly saturated, creating a glow that permeates the scene with strong contrast between light and dark areas. And also the aesthetic should evoke a late night and also the urban Japanese setting. So this will be the prompt, and can start to click run and kindly wait for the result. And basically this is the same prompt that I used before to create this photo transformation. However, by using the same prompt, you can also have the possibility to create a little bit different of the look. For example, this is the another output, and you can simply check into it or check it out. And if you like it, then you can start to click this download button, and after that this picture will be officially saved into your device. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.